you, Sir Wency. Nice one, Bill.
My gosh. Alright, Phil Mark! Grabe, nakaduet mo ang nag-iisang Wency Cornejo.
To be sharing the same stage with Sir Wency, sobrang overwhelming nung feeling right now. And sobrang saya na makanta ko yung Hanggang Together with him.
Maraming salamat.
Sir Wency, ako, ask naman kita, ano masabi mo kay Brother Bill Mark sa performance ninyo dito?
Ayan, alam ni Lani, alam ni Ai, it's Christian. We've been in the industry for such a long time and we very seldom come across talents na talagang susuportahan natin, bibigyan natin ng lahat ng kaya nating ibigay. And I think siguro na is one of those kinds of performers, artist, singer. Ang mahusay talaga eh. Wala tayo talaga
Sir
matatawaran.
Wency yan,
Hindi
bro.
matatawaran ito.
Alright, pakinggan naman natin ang ating Clash panel. Ano po ang masasabi ninyo?
Alright, Sir Wency, again, thank you so much for being here sa The Clash. We are so honored na nandito kayo with us. Thank you so much. And Vilmark, na-match mo ang energy na binibigay ni Sir Wency and yung harmonies nyo, ang ganda, pasok na pasok, swak na swak. And up to now, he's still supporting you from the beginning. Paglabas niya, at here's what a cool duet partner Sir Wency is. Paglabas niya, he was singing with you, he was giving everything he has for you, even telling the audience, oy, talaga, let's cheer him on, let's cheer him on. At yun yung nakita ko rin na energy na binigay mo rin kay Sir Wency. Minatch mo yon and it became a beautiful song. So thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Yes, and it's an honor na makita natin na nandito ang ating Pickleball King na si Mr. Pickleball King. Oo, ang ganda ng harmony ninyong dalawa. Magandang pakinggan. And hindi na-lose yung identity mo as ikaw, Vilmark. Hindi ka masyadong ninervous kahit napakagaling ni Mr. Wency. So, yun. Congratulations.
Thank you, Miss Ai. Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Wency, for gracing the Clash stage. We are so happy to have you. Vilmark, thank you also for giving all your energy. And what I love about it is, you know, you were able to lift each other up. Nakakatawa, meron kayong mga mutual admiration. You say something positive about him and you do the same to him. So that's what I like about sa duo nyo. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Annie.
Thank you, judges. And once again, maraming salamat po, Sir Wency Cornejo. Yes, idol. Thank you po, thank you.